Yawning is more than just a sign of sleepiness. Studies show that yawning spreads more easily among close friends and family. Yawning may help regulate brain temperature by bringing in cool air and increasing blood flow. Many animals, including dogs, cats, and primates, yawn too. It helps them stay alert. People are more likely to catch a yawn from someone they feel emotionally connected to. The average yawn lasts about 6 seconds, during which heart rate increases. Yawning occurs more frequently in colder weather, possibly to help cool the brain. Yawning serves more purposes than just signaling boredom.